Setting up your online account with Homewood Disposal is simple. In this video, you'll learn how to create and access your online account, set online payment options, view your recent and past statements, and choose how you'd like to receive your bill. To create or manage your account, visit us at mydisposal.com. In the upper right-hand corner, click the blue Bill Pay button from the main menu. If you have already created an online account, click the Login button. To set up a new account, choose Create Account. First, you'll need your account number and access code. Both can be found on your statement. Here, you'll see the account number circled in blue, and the access codes are circled in red. Next, you'll enter your email address and choose a password. Your email address will be your username for future logins. Once your information is entered, click Register Now. A confirmation box will appear at the bottom of your screen. You will receive an email with a link to log into your new account. The link will guide you to the main login screen where you will enter your username and password. Remember, your username is your email address. The details of your account, including customer number and service address, will appear at the top. If you have multiple accounts, you can add them under User Options. All registered accounts will be shown here. To finish setting up your account, let's go into User Options. Here you can change your username and password and update your payment methods. To make an online payment, you'll first need to set up a payment method. Click the Add button and enter your billing information. Below, you will select what type of account you prefer, enter your account details, and click Add Payment. Now that your account is set up, you can make a payment or view your statements. To look at your current and past statements, click the PDF icon for the month you want to view. Your current balance due is shown at the bottom of your screen. To make a payment, select the Make Payment button. From here, you can select an existing payment method, add a new one, or make a one-time payment without saving your billing information. Payments will be reflected on your account the following business day. Once complete, you'll receive an email confirming your payment. The Billing Options menu at the bottom of your screen allows you to choose how you prefer to receive your bill. To go paperless, turn on the email notifications and enter your email address. You can also choose to set up automatic payments here as well. Thanks for signing up for online bill pay with Homewood Disposal.